Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you have posted something in WhatsApp status and if you want some person or if you know some person, that person not to see your WhatsApp status, you want to hide your WhatsApp status that you have already posted. So that can be done or not. So see, the answer is, if the WhatsApp status is already posted and you are adding their name in this list, then that will not work. They will be able to see your WhatsApp status which was already posted. Okay, so if you want to hide it, so before uploading a WhatsApp status you have to add their name, then you have to upload a status. But if it was already posted, then even after putting their name, it will not work. So I hope you will find this video useful.